Hi, Paul Morbid here from Morbid Team Entertainment. What we're doing here when we start filming our experimental horror films is we're going to be using film, celluloid, not digital, and using Bolex camera. This is a Bolex 8mm 1962. So some of you are probably wondering why why we're using this type of camera, and we'll be using more Bolex cameras like the H8 as well. Well, for one thing, it doesn't take any power. All you have to do is wind it up. Just like that. Right there is the film button, and you press it. And that starts filming. Whatever the subject matter is right there. Just like that. Focus right on it. You can actually open it up. There are the film spools. 8mm, 25 feet. You can put it in there. Film one side. When you're done filming one side, which lasts almost 4 minutes, you flip it over and film the other side. That gives you 50 feet of film altogether. You can also take this camera and take it with you in commuting, in the car, wherever you want to go. And it's going to save you on production for your film. You can film whatever you want to, whenever you want to, essentially, and no one's going to see you and charge you, your film crew, a lot of money. If they see you with any type of large film equipment, they're going to do that. With this one, no one's going to know the difference. And this is why we use Bolex P2s, H8, and vintage cameras. You can also use other 8mm cameras to do the same thing. Saves a lot of time and money in your film. So, those of you getting into movie making, try your 8mm and 16mm cameras. Take care, and bye-bye.